Hi, I'm Erika with Templeton Real Estate Group, and welcome to 5101 Bandsaw, a stunning single-level home in the Spring Creek neighborhood of Harris Ranch. Let's take a moment to appreciate the heart of the home, this fully remodeled kitchen with a Wolf gas range, double ovens, and granite countertops. The room also features huge windows that allow tons of natural light into the room. Relax in your private backyard with tranquil water feature and patio with gorgeous pergola. This home also features an optional fourth bedroom currently being used as a bonus room. It would also make a fantastic media room or guest room. One of our favorite things about this Harris Ranch neighborhood is access to 2 community pools and clubhouses in the proximity to the Boise River, foothills, and Greenbelt.